Welcome to this session. So in this video, we are going to discuss about GNU plot. So it is a open source graphing tool. So I am using GNU plot in Ubuntu 16.04 LTS. So with the help of GNU plot, so I am going to explain how to draw the graph using the GNU plot. Okay. So first we want to draw the graph means first we want to install that software. So how to install in your Ubuntu system means, so just copy this code sudo apt get install GNU plot into your terminal window. So just copy, then open the terminal. So just zoom it. Okay, so that paste that code into the terminal. So just enter. So that's asking password, give your password. So already I installed that GNU plot in my system, so that's why it's telling GNU plot is already the newest version. So if you want to install the fresh version, you can download and so you can install. Okay, so next, this is our first step for installation. Second step is, if you want to draw the graph means we need a two type of files. So one file is data file, so that is data.txt file. Then another one is called as GNU code.plt. So two type of files we need. So first I want to explain one simple 2D graph method, then I go for a histogram. Okay, so first how to create a data file for 2D graphs. Okay, so I already in my YouTube channel I already published path loss model for a MANET. I explained with the freeze propagation path loss model. So from that only I am taking the values. So depends on your distance, what is the loss for using AOW protocol, what is the loss for using DSR protocol. Okay, so these are the three values. First column it is a distance, second column it is a AOW path loss, then third column is DSR path loss. Okay, so this is a data file. So I am going to copy this data, paste at is a data.txt. So I just have to create one GNU plot folder in your home folder, then open one terminal, one empty document, then paste. So first one is distance, second one is AOW loss, third one is, this is for example, so I am taking it is a data.txt. Okay, the next, so what is our second step? So we want to create a GNU code for 2D graphs. So this is the data for 2D graphs. This is the data code for GNU plot. Okay, so in this format you can try. So just copy, this is a code. So I will explain this code. So just copy this code, copy, paste it in your same folder GNU plot, open one document. So first how to write code for a GNU plot means, so just first you have to create a what type of file. So I am creating a PDF file or image file. So what type of file you need, you have to write. So for that purpose set terminal PDF file. I am going to generate a PDF file. Then next one is set output file. So output file name is what? So what is the name for you are giving? So it is I am going to give. So I explained freeze propagation model in the last video. So if you want, you can refer my channel Techno Silent. So set output freeze.pdf. so I am going to generate a freeze pdf. The next one is freeze propagation model pdf. You can give any name. Okay, the next one is I am going to create a different number of plots, so that's why set multiplot. The next one is set x label. So x label in, so already we know, so x label it is distance. So this is your first column, distance. Then y label it is loss. So we have AODV loss, then DSR loss. The next set grid. So I will explain this set grid with a diagram. Okay. The next one is plot. How to plot means plot which data, which file I want to get the data. So file name is data.txt. so how to change, so it is a data.txt using first and second column. So first column is data.txt. so what is the first column? It is distance. What is the second column? AODV loss. So it is first column and second column with lines points. So the next I am going to give title as it is a AODV loss, so that's why I am giving AODV. So what is the style you need? You can set line style, it is 1 2 3, so like that you have to set. The next one is line width, it is 2. The next one is line color, so it is RGB. So next you have to give in quotation mark, you have to give red color. Which color you want you can give it, otherwise default color it will be take. Okay. The next one is I want to draw for third column, first and third column. One is for first graph is for distance, then AODV loss. Then second graph is for distance and DSR loss. So this is also data.txt. using 1:3, the first column and third column with lines point with the title DSR. It is a DSR protocol. Then line style it is 2. Then line width is 2. Then line color is I give it as green. So which color you want you can name it. The next one unset multiple. So this is a very simplest code. By using this code you can draw the graph. Okay, so you can save this so name I am going to give it as, I want to draw the 2D graphs, so that's why I will give 2D graph. Okay, 2D graph dot plt. So this is your data, then this is your code. So I want to draw the next, I want to execute that command. So how to run the program means very simple. So this is your GNE plot. So type in your terminal GNE plot. The next, what is the file we want to plot? Okay, so here I am generated 2D graphs. Okay, so first you open the terminal. Then type, so before that, so you can type GNU plot. So this is a GNU plot version I am using. GNU plot version, it is 5.0, so it is patch level is 3. So I am using in my systems. So this is a basic terminal. Okay. So now we want to draw the graph. So first you have to type GNU plot. So what is the file we want to plot? 2D graphs. So where is available? So first you go to GNU code. So I have all the codes in GNU home, GNU plot. So first you go to GNU plot, cd GNU plot. The next type GNU plot hyphen. So what is the file? 2D graph.plt. So just type GNU plot 2D graph.plt. Okay, just enter. So there is no error. So now the PDF file is created. Okay, so open that file. So this is your output file. So x axis we have a distance, then y axis we have a loss in decibels, AODV and DSR. Then so these are lines, points. So DSR, so we have a red line, sorry, AODV we are having in red line, then DSR we having in green line. So AODV is lesser loss having than DSR having more loss with respect to distance. Okay, so like that you have to compare different graphs. You can generate graph. So these are basic 2D graph. So for example, so this is your data. For example, I want to draw with the lines means, so to delete that lines. So lines points, you have to delete that points. These are lines. So I need a lines only means these are. Next you have to run that program. So this error. So next just run the program. So now there is no error. So open that program. So these are line. So already we seen lines points. Now it is line. The next I need a impulse. So just give impulse impulse. Okay, so the next you have to run. Open that file. So these are impulse. Okay, the next so I need only points means, so just type points. So here also I have to type. So one is impulse, one is points. So no problem, I have to take. So on one graph AODV for impulse, next graph for DSR for points. Okay, so run the program. So AODV we are using impulse, then DSR we are using points. Okay, so like that you have to change according to your wish. Okay, so this is for your, I think you are getting some knowledge about your GNU plot, about 2D graphs. Okay, so I want to explain another one. So if I am using grid means, so what will happen means, so here in between we have some dotted lines. So we have some dotted lines. I need that dotted lines means I want to use that set grid options. If I don't need means you can disable that set grid option. You can disable. So now you have to run. So now we are not getting any dotted lines in the graph. Okay, so if you want you can use, otherwise you can disable that options. So this is about your 2D graphs. So next I want to explain with histograms. So how to generate a histogram? So that is basically we are drawing a bar chart. So it is, we can call it as histogram. So how to draw the histogram in using GNU plots. Okay, so here also we need a two sets. One is for data set, then the another one is for code. Okay, so first you have to copy that datas. This is, I already discussed, this is the data, distance, loss, receive power, throughput, delay, jitter, discussed with performance of your network in the last video. So how to calculate the throughput, jitter, delay, so like that I posted on last video. So if you want you can refer that video in my channel TechnoSilent. So you can copy that data, so paste it in your empty document. So first column it is name, distance, loss, receive power, throughput, delay, jitter, energy, like that. Second column it is a AOD. So I am going to take, so the first column values 100, 98, 78, 87, 58, 42, 23. These are all the AODV values. Then second value I am going to take 102, 65, 72, 57, 29, 28, 30. These are all the values for your DSR. Okay, so I want to plot these two protocols performance. So these are data file. So I am going to name it as manet dot data or txt. Okay, the next, so these are histogram code. You just copy, I will explain. Copy and paste in your document, new document. So these are code for your histogram bar chart. So like before already we have studied like that. So first we want to generate a what type of file. So that is set terminal PDF, then set output performance.pdf, then set title. So what is the title of your graph? You can set performance of the protocols, set style data histogram. Okay, the next one is what type of fill you want to use, without a filling or with filling. So I want to use with solid filling. So for that purpose I am using set style fill solid. So I will explain with diagram. Okay, the next one is xtick rotate out. So this is also I want to explain with diagram. The next one is set style histogram clustered clusterogram I want to use. The next one is plot. What is the file I want to use? manet.txt. So these are manet.txt using two columns. So first column is, I want to open that file manet. So second column is AODV data, so that's why I am using second column xtick. Second column, then xtick means it is your with your first column data, distance, loss, received power, so like that. Title, it is AODV. Then next line color, I have to use RGB red, so whichever you want you can use, otherwise you can delete that, it will be automatically taken. The next one is this for AODV. Next I want to draw the graph for DSR, so manner.txt using third column. So this is your third column, 102, 65, 72 for your DSR. So I want to use third column xtick title DSR. So what is the color I want to use? Okay, so this is a basic program I want to use in your histogram graph. Okay, so I want to save that file. So you have to rename it histogram.plt. Okay, so now open the terminal. So next go to GNU plot and ls. So what is the file name I want to run? GNU code, GNU plot histogram.plt. Just enter the. So next open the PDF performance.pdf file is generated. So here I given name is performance.pdf, so that's why performance.pdf file is generated. So open that performance.pdf file. So this is your histogram. So normally we are saying this bar chart. Okay, so I will explain another one. So in your program, so I am not using set style fill solid means what will happen. So I will explain. So first you have to run that program again. So now open. So what will happen? So there is no fill colors inside the box, so it is a empty box. So I want to use that colors means I want to use that set style fill solid. Then next one is, if I want to use I am not using set style, say set xtick rotate out means what will happen? So just I want to run, open the program. So now what will happen? Distance, loss, received power, it will be somewhat merger. It is not a clear thing. Okay, so here we want to rotate, that means I want to enable this. So next you have to run. So now we are getting. Okay, so like that you have to generate different graphs, professional graphs for your research paper, so as well as for your conferences. Okay, so like that, so you have to generate with the simple coding. So you have to generate a number of graphs. So in this video we have studied, so what are the files we need. So one is data file, then another one is PLT file. Then we need a data set for 2D graphs, different data sets we need. So this is for your histogram data, this is for your 2D graph GNU code, this is for your histogram data code. So next we want to run the file means we need a GNU plot. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. So watching, so kindly subscribe my channel. Techno Silent. Okay, so I am giving this full document in description section of my YouTube channel, so you can get it. Thank you.